Greetings everyone. Today we will do question number 11 of exercise 8.1. And the question number 11 is, state whether the following are true or false and justify your answer. The first part is the value of tan A is always less than 1. The value of tan A is always less than 1. See, tan A is, what is tan? Tan is P by B. Okay. Now in this case, we can't say whether the perpendicular is always greater than base or base is always greater than perpendicular. Any one can be greater. So we can't say that tan A is always less than 1. So this statement is false. Because it can be, for example, it can be 3 by 4 or it can be 4 by 3. If it is 3 by 4, it is less than 1. If it is 4 by 3, it is greater than 1. So we can't say. So this statement is false. Second, secant A is 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. Now see, secant. What is secant? Secant is h by b. And we know h is always greater than base. Hypotenuse is always greater than base. So here hypotenuse is 12 and base is 5. That is 12 is greater than 5. H is greater than b. So this can be possible. Okay. So this statement is true. Because in the numerator it is always h and h is hypotenuse. That should be greater than base. Third part is cos A. Cos A is the abbreviation used for cosecant A? No. Cos A is B by H while cosecant is the reciprocal of sin A, that is H by B. So these two are not equal. So this statement is also false. Fourth part, cot A is the product of cot and A? No. Cot A means the angle A, the value of cot when the angle is taken A. A is taken as the angle, then what is the ratio of this cot? Okay, we want to find the ratio cot when the angle A is given. It is not cot into A. So this statement is also false. Fifth, sin theta is 4 by 3 for some value of theta. Now you know sin is P by H. Okay. Here you can see H is in the denominator. H is in the denominator. So denominator should be greater than numerator. This is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. And we know hypotenuse is the longest side. So this hypotenuse cannot be less than perpendicular. But here it is given 4 by 3. That is perpendicular is 4, hypotenuse is 3. So this is not possible. This statement is false. Okay. So this is the question number 11 of exercise 8.1. I hope you all have understood. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.